Hello, if you try to use Apple Maps on your Apple Watch but you get notification that location is turned off, let me show you how easily you can fix this. So you have to open the settings for the first on your Apple Watch, and right now you will have to scroll down and navigate into the privacy and security. Just open this one, and now you have to go for location services. For sure you have to make sure that you turn them on, and now you have to scroll down and just make sure that you turn on location for Apple Maps. As you can see, in my case, for some reason, it's actually turned off. And there's also no option, as you can see, to turn it on back. And to fix that, you will have to just start by opening settings on your iPhone. Right now, you will have to go into the Maps application. So go to the apps on the bottom of the screen, and over here, search for Apple Maps. So we get alphabetic order, it's available just over here. We have to go for the location, and now make sure that you turn on while using the application. And now you will also get your location back on your Apple Watch. And that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.